I'm doing an activity today where I have uploaded several videos and I need to copy and paste several different text items. I realized I have some editing to do in these, so I wanted to show you a really cool Windows feature. If you use the Windows key and the letter V, so instead of Control V for paste, do a Windows key V for paste. And what it does is it brings up several of these items that I wanted to use. So basically, I can select the passage that I wanted and Windows V, and then I can look through my list of recent things and pick one to replace. And my calendar, I want to update that one, and Windows V, and there is my calendar correction. And I think also, oh yes, here, I wanted to do one here. I wanted this to be Windows V and type out a bar and new, Microsoft Outlook new. Okay, so that's how I do it. Isn't that amazing? You can get into basically a Windows clipboard that is keeping all of those copy and paste, recent paste ready for you to reuse. Thanks.